This glowing circle might be the Pixel 11 Pro's smartest new feature, or the most expensive notification light ever created. Google has officially confirmed that the Pixel 11 series arrives on August 12th, with pre-orders opening the same day. And the teaser already shows the phone's biggest visual change, a color-shifting light inside the camera bar. Yes, the notification LED is back. It just went to design school and discovered Gemini. The feature has been called Pixel Glow in leaks, although newer reports suggest Google may market it as Highlight. It can display multiple colors, and leaked images show it glowing blue beside Gemini. The real question is whether it becomes genuinely useful for calls, timers, charging, and important alerts, or just something beautiful that disappears under your phone case. The rest of the design is familiar. The Pixel 11 Pro reportedly keeps its compact 6.3-inch shape, but adds a darker, cleaner camera bar. The old temperature sensor appears to be gone, which is probably fine. Most people used it once, measured a coffee mug, and retired from science. Inside, the major upgrade should be Tensor G6. Leaks point to a 2nm chip, a new Titan M3 security coprocessor, and a stronger focus on efficiency and on-device AI. That matters because Tensor has never been about winning benchmark screenshots. Google's real advantage is using the chip to improve photography, Gemini features, call tools, and everyday responsiveness. The display is also rumored to remain a 6.3-inch LTPO OLED with a 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate, but peak brightness could rise to 3600 nits. Translation: your screen should remain visible even when the sun decides to become your personal enemy. But here comes the strange part. The leaked 4850 mAh battery is actually 20 mAh smaller than the Pixel 10 Pro's. Wired charging may also remain at 30 watts, while Qi 2 magnetic charging returns. So this is not the charging revolution some early rumors promised. Better battery life will depend heavily on Tensor G6 efficiency. The cameras reportedly stay at 50 megapixels main, 48 ultra-wide, and 48 megapixels for the 5x periscope. But Google may push digital pro zoom from 100 times to 120 times. That sounds wild, although moon photos still need good processing, steady hands, and occasionally a little emotional support. Pricing may be the biggest reality check. The Pixel 11 Pro is leaked at $1,099 with 256 gigabytes of storage, while the base configuration may drop from 16 to 12 gigabytes of RAM. The storage upgrade softens the price increase, but Pro buyers will notice that RAM cut. So the Pixel 11 Pro looks less like a redesign and more like Google refining its formula. Brighter display, smarter lighting, newer silicon, familiar cameras, and a few uncomfortable compromises. Is Pixel Glow enough to make this feel new, or would you buy a discounted Pixel 10 Pro instead?